focus on the most important one first. We often waste our time on things that we have no benefit for us in this life or the next. We must avoid wasting our time on social media, watching TV, engaging in gossip. Instead, we should use our time to learn new things, help others, and worship Allah. Inclusion time is a precious gift from Allah that we must use wisely as a responsible Muslims. Amin.